In this video, we'll show you what to do if the notifications are not working on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So to fix this, first open the quick settings panel and make sure that the do not disturb option is disabled. Additionally, make sure that the power saving mode is also turned off from here. Next, go to the settings menu. Now tap on connections. Now here tap on data usage and here make sure that the data saver mode is off. If it's on, it can cause issues with the notifications, so make sure to turn it off. Now go back to the main menu. Now here go to battery. Now here select background usage limits. Now here go to sleeping apps menu and make sure any of your important apps are not here. If your important app is listed on this list, simply long press it and then select remove. Once you do this, you will start receiving notifications from that particular app. Similarly, go to the deep sleeping apps and make sure your important apps are not added to this list. To prevent your Samsung Galaxy phone from adding apps automatically to this list, make sure to turn off this toggle. However, if this doesn't work, what you need to do is go to notifications. Now here go to app notifications. Now go through this list and make sure the notifications are enabled for your important apps. Additionally, what you need to do is tap on your app and check all these permissions. So make sure the notifications are set to appear on the lock screen. Make sure to enable notification pop-up. Make sure to set the pop-up style as well. However, if the notifications are not working for a specific app, what you can do is long press on that app and then tap this info icon. Now here you will need to scroll down and then tap on mobile data. Now make sure you have allowed the app to use data in the background. So make sure this toggle is turned on. Now go back, go to battery and make sure you have selected optimized or unrestricted from here. Next, go back, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and check if the issue is resolved. However, if nothing else works, there's one more thing you can try. So go to the app info page and then tap on notifications. Now here tap on notification categories. Now here tap on this any of the alert sound and make sure you have selected show as pop-up option is enabled. However, if nothing else works, open the Play Store and then search for the app that's not sending you notifications. If any update is available for that particular app, simply update it from here. Once you do this, you should start receiving notifications from that particular app. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.